welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to open up a subscription box from the company called Fashionsta, and it is called The Box. It's nothing fancy on the outside, just the cardboard box. And then we'll open it up and get right into it. So Fashionsta, the reason I have chosen this company is because of what they do for a local organization, and it is, let me see what they are called, 1736 Family Crisis Center, and they donate to this center to help Californians through crises like domestic violence and homelessness. This box was voted number 6 Best Beauty Box in 2021 by Reader's Choice. So I appreciate their products are usually, mostly all clean, cruelty-free, and vegan products. Each item has a description, which I really like. Only downfall is, oh, excuse me, no, not a downfall. They do give values for each item. The retail value of this box is generally $120 to $180 predominantly. They are indie brands and quite often women-owned brands, which really rates high with me. They have boxes for women and for men. They are $24.99 a month, and you get generally anywhere from 5 to 7 full-size products. So let's get into it. All right. When I do open the cardboard box, this is where I see their tissue paper that says The Box. And this says, Be Beautiful. All right, let's pull the product out. We'll get rid of the squiggles. And the first product I see is by Nuria. It's a Defend product. It's Nuria Beauty Defend Skin Shielding Essence. It is formulated with plant-based extracts to strengthen your skin's natural defenses, vegan and cruelty-free. Nice. It is made with ginseng carob, which is found in Asia. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. They always give you coupon codes for each product that's in the box. At least 1 or 2 has product coupon codes. This one in particular does. It offers a 20% off of nuriabeauty.com. And this here is a $36 value. All right, it's a gel. I smell alcohol. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's just a citrus scent. Okay, and this is formulated to strengthen your skin's natural defense. Well, it's definitely a full-size bottle, and it's a serum type product that you would put under your moisturizer. All right. Yeah, a citrus scent. Okay, next item. Ooh, this is cute. It is called Cutie Oils. Now, whether this is for our face or nails, we'll have to read to find out. It's got a little doe foot applicator. All right, and let's see. This is Cutie Oils and Company. Cutie Oil Mia. A mix of passion fruit and tangerine with mild notes of pink, peony, and jasmine. Mia has a standing 2-week appointment that never gets moved or canceled. Can be very indecisive over the 5 neutrals in her rotation, including red and the other neutrals. All right, help restore brittle nails back to health. Nourish your cuties and nails with this mixture of coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, and jojoba oil. Vegan and cruelty-free. Gotta love that. I do. All right, so this is for on the nails. Let's see. Oh, it is a really nice oil. I like the applicator. You can be very precise with it on your cuticles. Woo! Oh, if this was a perfume, I'd wear it. Oh, this is worth buying the box. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna do a little more research in this company and this product and see if you can use this anywhere else on your body. That smells fantastic. Wow, very good. All right, next product. Let's get down here to this one. Now this is my second month of getting this box, and this is my second month in a row getting an eyeshadow palette. Now let's see if you can, yep, that's a good picture of it for you. I love getting eyeshadow palettes. I'm a bit of an eyeshadow junkie, lipstick junkie, eyebrow product junkie. Okay, I'm a makeup junkie. This is by Ace Beauty, and the palette is Vintage Dawn. Woo! Now those are some colors. Yowza! I don't know. This might be put into a giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch anything for you. I am putting together a large box of giveaway items. But this week, I am doing a giveaway on my Glossy Box. Got to watch the video to find out how to win the Glossy Box. Okay, well this palette here is Vintage Dawn palette, and it is $35. 12 highly pigmented, gorgeous shades. They looked highly pigmented. Reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises from around the world. Perfect colors for sun-filled summer of beauty, and it is cruelty-free. I will only use cruelty-free products. I love it. I love the packaging on this. This is beautiful. The colors inside maybe aren't my taste, but it is beautiful. All right, 2 more products. Let's try this one. I'm not sure how to say this. Lavido, L-A-V-I-D-O. 9 extracts from pure plants. Evening primrose seed, sea buckhorn, and pumpkin seed. It is age away hydrating cream. Firm, hydrate, and repair. Evening primrose for dry, mature skin. Okay, the box is beautiful. Can you see the imprint on the packaging? The white top is all imprinted. It's really pretty. Okay, and the product is, oh, okay. It's like a squeeze tube. Now, I've had hand lotion from this company. There you go. So let's read about this. It says it is $55 value. So, balances skin's moisture levels, improves skin texture and tone, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a healthy glow. Vegan and cruelty-free. Ding, ding, ding. Let's see what it smells like. Take the safety seal off and see what we get. Now, it didn't say specifically, but I'm getting the idea that this goes on the face. Ooh, okay. Rub that in. It's a nice thick cream. Oh, it smells almost like cedar a little bit. Huh. Very nice. I could put this on and not be bothered by this fragrance. Very nice. Okay. And last but not least, this is Floss. Floss Beauty Lip Advocate, value of $18. Take it out of here and see what we got. A sheer lip tint formulated with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. Use it alone for a soft wash of buildable color, or apply it over your favorite lip product for a subtle sheen. And this box is kicking my butt. I had to destroy the lid. All right. Oh, I just love that it's all pink. Okay, and the color. Ooh, I'm not quite sure what you would call that. A neutral for sure. More like a brown. Let's do a swatch of this on my hand. And they say it's buildable, and it is. It is. Oh, it's really nice and creamy though. Can you see that? Yeah. It has a real high sheen to it. Let's put it on. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Some lipstick can be so drying to your lips, so it's nice to have something that is sheer that you can put over your lips that can make your lips feel nice. Oh, I love this. This is something that's going to definitely go in the purse. I add this up, and this comes to a total of $184 worth of product. This is definitely worth, what did I say, $24.99 for the box, and you get full size, clean, cruelty, and vegan products. Now I know why this was voted number 6. Well, thanks for visiting with me, and don't forget to check out the Glossy Box video, and that'll give you all the instructions on how to win the box. Thanks so much, and you take care.